Welcome. Ready to chat about you and this exciting opportunity?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Cool. So, tell me a bit about yourself. What makes you tick?
I'm a recent graduate, passionate about marketing, and always hungry to learn.
Sounds great. What brought you to our company?
Your innovative spirit. You guys tackle tough challenges and create amazing things.
We like to hear that. Now, what skills could you bring to the table?
I'm a strong writer, think fast on my feet, and love brainstorming creative ideas.
Impressive. Any specific projects you're proud of?
I launched a social media campaign that boosted a charity's donations by 30%.
Wow, that's amazing. Teamwork important to you?
Definitely. Communication, collaboration, we rise by lifting each other up.
Tell me about a challenge you faced and how you overcame it.
I led a presentation with a tough audience, practiced hard, stayed calm, and nailed it.
What are your salary expectations?
I'm flexible, but my main focus is learning and growing with your company.
We value passion and initiative. Do you have any questions for me about specific projects?
Yes, I'm curious about your upcoming campaign for that new eco-friendly product.
Oh, I see. Impressive campaign. Are any specific platforms you used in any campaign?
Instagram and TikTok. Short, catchy videos resonated with young audiences.
Teamwork crucial in marketing. Describe your ideal team environment.
Open communication, brainstorming sessions, celebrating successes together.
Tell me about a time you collaborated with someone from another department.
Partnered with IT to launch a social media contest. Tech Smarts meets marketing magic.
How do you handle negative feedback?
Listen actively. Address concerns professionally. Turn it into a learning opportunity.
What are your hobbies? How do they balance with work?
Photography and volunteering. Creativity fuels my work. Giving back fuels my soul.
Describe your learning style.
Hands-on experience. Active discussions. Reading industry blogs. To stay ahead of the curve.
Tell me something interesting about yourself not on your resume.
I speak 3 languages. Fluency in different cultures helps me connect with diverse audiences.
Any questions for me about our specific marketing initiatives?
Yes. Tell me more about your product launch strategy.
We're aiming for an impactful campaign. Ideas welcome.
Partnering with environmental influencers on social media could be powerful.
Love that suggestion. We value fresh perspectives like yours.
Thank you. I'm passionate about making a difference through marketing.
Love that. Now, let's get a bit personal. Any questions for me?
Absolutely. How's the company culture? I thrive in a fun and supportive environment.
We're all about collaboration, laughter, and helping each other grow.
Perfect. That sounds like my kind of place. Thank you so much for your time.
The pleasure was mine. We'll be in touch soon.
Thank you. I'm excited to hear from you.
Hi, beautiful spot. Can I grab a table with you?
Of course. Welcome. Enjoying the view?
Absolutely. First time in Switzerland. It's like a postcard.
Glad you love it. What brings you here? Adventure or relaxation?
Both. Hiking some trails, but also soaking up the scenery.
Excellent choices. You hiking today? Which trail?
Grindelwald first. Heard it has an amazing glacier view.
Great pick. Easy climb, stunning reward. Wear good shoes though. Mountain paths can be tricky.
Thanks for the tip. Any hidden gems on the way?
A small waterfall off the main path. Take the left fork at the wildflowers. Magical spot.
Perfect. Love hidden surprises. Anything else I shouldn't miss?
Try the local cheese fondue on your way back. Melty goodness with bread and pickles. Swiss comfort food.
Yum. Definitely on the list. What about souvenirs? Any local treasures?
Hand-carved wooden cows are classic. Or unique chocolate creations shaped like mountains.
Adorable. And for dinner tonight? Local recommendations?
A cozy restaurant downtown has amazing fondue variations. Raclette? Anyone?
Sounds delicious. Thanks for all the tips. You're a lifesaver.
Happy to help.
Any fun local traditions I should experience?
Maybe watch a cow parade. They walk down the main street with bells and flowers. Quite a sight.
Wow, never heard of that. When's the next one?
Next month. You might even score some fresh cheese samples from the farmers.
Love cheese. Sounds like a must-see. What about local legends? Anything spooky?
There's a tale of a mischievous mountain spirit. Tricks tourists with mist and hidden paths.
Intriguing. Maybe I'll leave him a cheese offering to stay on his good side.
Clever plan. Just tell him sent you. He seems to like my fondue stories.
Deal. Any local festivals during my stay? Music, food, anything lively?
A cheesemaker's competition next week. Samples, music, even cheese sculptures. Quite the spectacle.
Cheese sculptures? You're kidding. This trip just keeps getting better and better.
Welcome to Switzerland. Die. Remember, every turn is a chance for a new adventure.
Absolutely. You've filled my itinerary with hidden gems. Don't know how to thank you.
Just promise to spread the word about our beautiful country and delicious cheese.
Consider it done. My friends will be jealous of my Swiss escapades.
Good. And come back next year. Bring the whole bunch. The mountains welcome everyone.
I plan to. This place has stolen my heart. Thanks again for everything.
My pleasure. Happy exploring. May the mountain spirit guide you to even more cheese and charm.